essential of this shoe and glamorous wedding footwear. But before we dive in, don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us bring more fantastic content like this. Now let's start with a little one. Baby shoes are not only cute but also essential for their tiny feet. We'll show you some adorable and comfortable options that will keep your little bundle of joy both stylish and cozy. Moving on to casual shoes. We have a wide range of stylish sneakers, comfortable loafer, and fuzzy casual shoes. Whether you are out for a stroll, park, or running errands, we have a perfect pair to